Alright, this is just going to be a very quick video because I didn't trade anything today. I wasn't even looking at the markets. There was a guy who showed up and upgraded the internet, and I started to work on other things. I just wasn't there for the stock market today, and I just want to show my balance just because I tend to do that every day just to show whether I make or lose anything and just have that transparency there. There isn't anything that I think I would have traded except for a few setups. I like BuzzFeed right here, how it did and inverse head and shoulders, the shoulder, the head, and this was a rather clean one. Besides this little wick right here, a shoulder, and it made a move from $3 all the way to VWAP, which is almost a 10% move, and it even held above VWAP, and it made a move towards a 360. Super profitable setup right there. There isn't anything here that I would have considered. It's not like a higher low or a double bottom. This one kind of broke under it some more. And I don't know if I would to have considered this one. This one's a bit of a weird one. It is a listed stock and it just has, really bad price action. It looks like a descending triangle that's going to break down, but it didn't really break down all that much. I don't see anything here that I would have considered trading with this one. This one sold off like crazy. I was just watching it because it was up Friday with a bunch of gap ups. Actually, no, not gap ups, but they had like a bunch of halts and it would, yeah, I guess it would gap up. It was a very freaky one. This one sold off. I don't see anything here that I would have traded. Maybe an inverse head and shoulders, but I like the way BuzzFeed had their head and shoulder setup much better. Still, maybe a potential setup. And then these two, I just went through my scanner. This one's interesting. Maybe it can try to totally do a breakout above this 36 level and then really start to uptrend some more. And this one's a weird one. I've seen it a few times, but I never really had it in my watch list too long because it just trades kind of weird. But now it looks a little more consistent, the price action, and it has a lot more volume. So I will be looking at this one. But yeah, that's it for today. I didn't trade anything. Maybe I can find a setup to trade tomorrow. That's all I got.